Oh no, it tipped over.
Hi everyone, I'm Easy.
Hi friends, I'm Xiao Xiao, and welcome to YX Kids Lab.
Today we're building a Jeep.
A Jeep. Science is so much fun.
If you like it, come build it with us. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the wires to the motor. Done. Step 2. Assemble the motor mounting plate. There's one more gear here. Done. Step 3. Attach the spare tire. Done. Step 4. Install the frame. First, snap it into place. Then, add the Jeep side panel. Thread the wire through here. Now press the connector plate in firmly. Then, put on the roof. Attach the mirrors and make sure the pattern faces the right way. Done. Step 5. Install the wheels and the battery pack. First, slide it through the 2 round spacers, then slide it through this gear. Insert the other axle too. Now install all the gears. Then mount the battery pack. Done.
It flipped over.
We've got a rollover right here.
Look, this gear is turning. Hold it so it won't move.
Try not to touch this wheel.
Big brother, which car do you like best?
I like the Jeep
Why do you like it?
because it looks the most like a real one. Let's see whether the Jeep can climb up the mat.
It made it up.
Now let's see what happens when it goes downhill. Let's observe what it does. Let's send it down. Wow, that is really fast.
What the?
Let's see if it can push a tank. Okay, now let's switch the power on.
Down. If you had fun with us, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.